Good afternoon. Today I am going to start issue of shares. Issue of shares may be divided into two: issue of shares at par and issue of shares at premium. At par means rupees 10. Again also company collect rupees 10, that is known as issue at par. But in the case of issue of shares at premium, that the more than face value, say per share value rupees 10, but issue in the market premium 15, that is 5 is the premium. Okay, issue of shares at par, and number 2, issue of shares at premium. Now what is the accounting treatment of issue of shares at par? Company issue of shares, small denomination is known as share. Each share, say rupees 10. 10 may be divided into their 4 parts. Their application money, 4 parts: application money, number 2 allotment money, number 3 first call money, number 4 final call money or second call money. Now what are the journal entries are passed at the time of issue of shares at par? First, at the time of application money, what are the journal entries? Now at the time of application money, first journal entry: bank account debit to equity shares application. Each part, that is the per share 10, may be divided into their 4 parts. Each part 2 journal entry, 2 into 4, that is 8 journal entries are passed in the case of issue of shares at par. But first, at the time of application money, journal entry: bank account debit to equity share application, to equity shares application. Now when application money transferred to share capital, then opponent journal entry: equity share application account debit to equity share application account debtor to equity share capital, to equity share capital. Okay. Next, at the time of allotment, again also at the time of allotment journal entry, when allotment due, at the time of allotment, the 2 journal entry. First, at the time of allotment, equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital. Now when actually allotment money received on general public, then second journal entry: bank account debit to equity share allotment account. Same point number C, at the time of first call, then journal entry: at the time of first call, again there are 2 journal entries passed. When due on first call, then journal entry: equity share first call account debit, equity share first call account debit to equity shares capital. And when received on first call money, then journal entry bank account debit to equity share first call account. Okay. Now point number D, at the time of second call or final call. At the time of second call or final call, when due on second call or final call, same journal entry, equity share second call or final call account debit to equity shares capital. When received on second call or final call, then journal entry bank account debit to equity share second call or final call. Okay, again repeat. When application money received, first journal entry bank account debit to equity share applications, being the share application money received or total number of shares, each share say rupees 2 or 3 or 10 etc. When application money transferred to share capital, then journal entry equity share applications account debit to equity shares capital. Okay, but in the case of another, there are three calls: allotment, first call and final call. Their common journal entry: first, when due on allotment or first call or second call, journal entry equity shares allotment or first call or final call account debit to equity share capital. And their common journal entry again another: when received on allotment money or first call money or final call money, then journal entry bank account debit to equity share first call or second call or allotment. Okay, this is that is 4 into 2, 8 journal entry. Now let us one example how to prepare their journal entry at the time of issue of shares at par. Now X company limited issued X company limited issued 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, payable as follows: rupees 2 on application, rupees 3 on allotment, again rupees 2 on first call and balance on final call. All shares are paid within a specific time. Pass the necessary journal entries. Pass the necessary journal entries at the time of issue of shares. At the time of issue of shares. Okay, this is the questions. Now how to pass the journal entries? Per share value rupees 10. 10 may be divided into their 4 parts. This is the per share value rupees 10. 2 on application, 3 on allotment, 3 plus 2 5, and 2 on first call 7, and the balance mean 3 on final call. Okay, now journal entries pass. First, bank account debit at the time of first journal entry, bank account debit to equity share application. What is the amount? 10,000 into 2, that is 20,000. The format also in the books of X Limited, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit column and credit column. Narration being 10,000 equity share application money of rupees 2 per share. Second journal entry, equity shares application account debit, equity share application account debit to equity share capital. Same amount, that means all shares are paid their full amount. In case of due, excluding that due amount, that is minus. This is at the time of issue on applications money. These are 2 journal entry. Next, at the time of allotment rupees 3. Now what is the narration in this case? Being application money transferred to share capital as per board resolutions dated. Third journal entry, when allotment due, equity shares allotment, equity shares, or you write share allotment, same allotment account debit to equity share capital account. What is the amount due? 3 into 10,000, that is equal to 30,000. Narration being allotment money due 10,000 of rupees 3 per share. Next, allotment money received, bank account debit, bank account debit to equity share allotment account. Same amount, full amount transferred to share capital. Narration being allotment money received of rupees 3 per share. Now next, first call. Again due on first call, equity share first call account debit, equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account. Per share first call value rupees 2 into 10,000, that is equal to 20,000. Narration same, being first call money due of rupees 2 per share as per board resolutions dated. Last, allotment money received, bank account debit, bank account debit to equity share first call. Same amount, 20,000. That means allotment first call money transferred to share capital 10,000 share of rupees 2 per share. Next, at the time of final call, their first when final call money due, then journal entry seventh journal entry, when first call money due, that is equity share final call account debit to equity share capital. Balance means 3. How to find out balance? 10 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2, that is the rest amount of balance rupees 3. 3 into 10,000, that is equal to 30,000. Same narration. Final call due of rupees 3 per share as per board resolutions dated. Last, final call money received, then journal entry bank account debit, to equity share final call. Full amount 30,000. Final call money transferred to share capital. Okay, everybody understand? Thank you.